Hi, welcome to this new video on crypto AV. Today, we'll take a look at a new DAO called AVALPS DAO. The price of the token AVALPS dropped from $330 to now only $4. This is a big dump, but many DAOs are experiencing this. APY on this DAO is, as you can guess, totally ridiculous. A little reminder, if APY is this high, it's probably a scam. Here's what I will talk about in this video. How AVALPS DAO works. How you can invest your money in this DAO. If you would like to but remember all of these DAOs, you must see them as scams and that you will probably lose all of your money by investing in them. And finally, I will let you know my view on this DAO. AVALPS is a decentralized reserve currency protocol available on the Avalanche Network based on the BLAN token, referring to the Mont Blanc, highest mountain in Europe, culminating at 4,809 meters. I can already say that most of the seasonal DAOs will crash and probably rug. This is what we've seen with Frozen Capital, Atom Fork, and Snowbear DAO. On the dashboard, we've got all the important numbers we need. The price of BLAN crashed very much. If you're interested in this DAO, now would be a nice time to enter. The market cap is very low. This shows that the rewards you get on this DAO are very low since your rewards are in BLANC tokens. The total value locked dropped a lot and is now at $63,000. This DAO is crashing. The treasury balance is also not big with just $400,000. The backing per BLAN is well above the current price, at $13. That's a strong backing for the moment. The runway on these DAOs are always just a few days, 12 days on here. Always be careful about that. The APY will drop fast or it might get rug. Go over the BLAN button and here you can buy the token on Trader Joe and add the token to your wallet. Let's go staking. Here you need to connect your wallet and be on the Avalanche Network. I am not on the good network, but anyway, I won't invest in here. This DAO is smelling rug. Add how many tokens you want to invest here and click approve to get started and get an ROI of 300%. I am showing this, but please don't do this. I am just saying rug is written all around the place. If you like the video so far, your like, share, and subscribe would mean a lot to me. I am trying to get to 200 subscribers. This would be amazing. Thank you. And here you unstake. Their magical calculator is just below. Input how many you want to invest and it will calculate your potential returns, but don't use it. It's just for entertainment. You won't be getting the money that they're promising. Let's bond, but in fact, no, don't bond unless you're here to lose money, then you do what you want. You could get an ROI of minus 70% or minus 11%. The choice is yours. The mint price is higher than the BLAN price, so if you want to pay more and lose money, just input how many you want to invest. Click approve and it's done. The calculator is in two places. Why? I don't know. Let's take a look at the chart because this one is ugly. It went from $330 to now $4. A massive dump. Please be careful. The price of these DAOs move all around the place and they might rug. Let's go to the docs and learn more. What is AVALPS? It's a decentralized reserve currency protocol available on the Avalanche Network based on the BLANC token. Each BLANC token is backed by a basket of assets in the AVALPS treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. AVALPS also introduces economic and game-theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and minting. All of the profit of the DAO will be reinvested in BuyBack or Airdrop to the community. Airdrop will be sent to holders of the NFT collection. Each month, the NFT collection will be available with a very limited supply. Holders of the collection will receive the profit of the DAO. What is the point of AVALPS? Our goal is to build a policy-controlled currency system, native on the Avalanche Network, in which the behavior of the BLANC token. In the long term, we believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency, so that BLANC can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. We intend to achieve price flatness for a representative basket of goods without the use of fiat currency, in order to allow the cryptocurrency industry to detach once and for all from the traditional finance world. The docs of this DAO is pretty much copy and paste, and the only thing unique here is the NFT collection. And big red flag, this DAO has not been audited. When you see this, just run away. My view on this fork is to not invest in it unless you want to lose money. This DAO is too risky and looks like a scam. But if you got money you're not afraid to lose, this might be an auction, but just know that I would not invest in this. The team behind it is anonymous, so they can run with your money without any problems. Stay safe. If you like what they're doing and for some reasons you want to invest in this DAO, you can join their Twitter and Discord to have their latest news on updates of the DAO. That's my Twitter. Follow me there for daily crypto gems. The link is in the description. Please subscribe, like, and share to support the channel, and hopefully, we will be a community of 200 by the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.